So what if I told you that the difference between being an overlooked new entrepreneur and becoming irresistible in your industry boils down to 3 small secrets you probably missed? Today, we're going to peel back the layers to reveal the hidden keys of personal branding that will help you stand out and magnetize opportunities your way. And let me tell you, the last secret is pure gold. It skyrocketed the retention of my best performing videos, and today I'm going to share it with you so you can use it to build an irresistible personal brand. Let's start. And we'll start with secret number 3. Stop being transactional. So the most powerful brands made this shift in their strategy, and it became the bedrock of their success. Their secret? Creating real, lasting value before they sell. See, most beginners see their audience as just potential buyers, showing up when they need a sign-up or a sale and ignoring them for the rest of the time. But this is actually a very egocentric approach that will limit your growth and business success. The truth is, your audience can actually change from being just a number next to your name to potential collaborators, influencers, and advocates. Marketing legend Blair Warren put it best in his book, The One-Sentence Persuasion Course. The key to magnetizing a loyal following is to encourage your audience's dreams, justify their failures, allay their fears, confirm their suspicions, and help them throw rocks at their enemies. The most magnetic personal brands don't just sell their product, they understand their audience's life and become a trusted guide within it. And one of the most powerful ways to get into your audience's mind is to leverage a tool called brand archetypes. Brand archetypes are universally known personality patterns you can intentionally showcase within your brand to create a deep and meaningful connection with your audience. They're rooted in Jungian psychology and have been used to build the most iconic brand campaigns since the 1980s. By tapping into your brand archetype, you're not just selling a product or a service, you're actually inviting your audience into a shared journey towards their goals and aspirations. And if you want to dig deeper into brand archetypes, you might want to check out this playlist right here. Till then, let's move on to our next secret. Don't be a commodity. Diving into personal branding, there's a common pitfall that most enthusiastic entrepreneurs fall into. Focusing solely on promoting your product, your service, or its features. So here goes the second secret. To magnetize opportunities and attract a crowd of loyal fans, you have to stop for a second and ask yourself this one pivotal question. What business am I really in? Let me break it down. Picture yourself walking into an average coffee shop, ordering just a plain coffee. Essentially, you're shelling out cash for some hot water poured over crushed beans, right? The raw cost might hover around 8 cents per cup. Factor in your local electricity rates, the rent of the place, packaging, and a slice of profit. The price tag you'll see will be around $2. This is the textbook definition of a commodity. In the realm of commodities, products are easily swapped out and interchangeable. Now contrast this with walking into a Starbucks. The ingredients are still the same, maybe add some whipped cream and sugar, but that's about it. Yet you're happy to spend $5 to $6. What's the difference? The difference is that you're not just buying coffee, you're buying an experience, the feeling of being part of a global community. So begin asking yourself, what am I really selling here? When you focus on becoming an experience in your client's life, there's no need to compete on price because you're offering so much more than just a product or a service. You're cultivating relationships, building trust, and creating a universe your audience eagerly wants to be a part of. Hey, and if you find these videos helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more on personal branding coming your way. That said, let's move on to our last secret. And our number 1 secret to build an irresistible personal brand is the power of a good story. And this is what really sets the average personal brand apart from the ones you can't get out of your head. It's not merely about parading your unique qualities. Remember, everyone from your local barista to the Fortune 500 leader yearns for sincere human connection. And what's the universal language of human connection? Stories. I mean, imagine going on a first date reciting your LinkedIn profile. Impressive? Maybe for a second. Impactful? Hardly. But what if you change that too? And you shared your ups and downs, the whole journey. By doing this, you're handing your audience something real, Suddenly, you're not just someone who wants to push a product. You're a person they can relate to and want to stick around for. But don't take my word for it. A study by the London School of Business recently found that people only remember 5 to 10% of bare facts and figures, but when you put those facts into stories, the retention rate skyrockets to 65 to 70%. This means that stories aren't only about the feels. They actually make memories stick. So by sharing stories your audience can relate to, you're building a bond that's beyond just making a sale. You're turning your brand into a conversation that people eagerly want to join in on. All right, folks, that's a wrap on the 3 personal branding secrets most beginners overlook. And now it's time to hear from you. What's your number 1 personal branding question? Let me know in the comments below. Hey, and if you're new here, you might want to check out the personal branding playlist right here. Take care, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.